Hello guys, welcome to Solutions Hub. On today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to use your Casio calculator to solve a simultaneous equation that has three unknowns. So you can see we have equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3, and then we also have x, y, z, right? Good. So to start, we come to mode, and then we click on 5. That's the equation. Then we have different equation formats. The first one is for 2 unknowns. The second one is for 3 unknowns. The third one is for quadratic, and then the fourth one is for polynomials, right? Good. So since we are dealing with equations that have 3 unknowns, we select 2. Now we have the matrix that will store the coefficients of what are different variables alongside the constant. So for equation 1, you can see that the coefficient of x is 1, so we type 1 and then we hit enter. Then the coefficient of y is -2, so we go with -2, we hit enter. The coefficient of z is +3, so we go with 3, we hit enter. Then it's now time for the constant, that's the right hand side. We have 5, we hit enter. Then it takes us to the second equation. The coefficient of x there is 4, so we have 4 there. The coefficient of y here is 1, so we have 1 there. The coefficient of z here is -1, so we have -1 there. And then the constant we have what, 6, right? Good. So we repeat that for the third equation. -3, 2, 2, and -4, right? So having populated the matrix with the different coefficients, we can just click on equal to. So this will be the value of x. If we take it to decimals, we have 1.787. So we have 1.787. If we go with equal to, the y value comes up. That's -0.234. And then for the z, 43/47, which is 0.915. So these are actually what the values of x, y, and z. So before we leave, let us check if we are going to arrive at if it's going to satisfy any of the equation. So we click on AC, and then to leave the equation mode, we click on mode, and then we select 1. So we are going to use the values of our variables on equation 1. So equation 1 is x. So we have 1.787. Remember, these are approximate values to 3 decimal places, right? Good. So we have minus, we open a bracket, 2 times what's our y, minus 0.234, right? We close that bracket, then plus what's our z. Let's also open a bracket for that. So we have 3 times 0.915. So we have simplified that equation 1. So let's click on equal to. You see now that we have 5, right? Good. So this actually satisfies the equation. So with this, we have checked that equation 1 is correct, so equation 2 and equation 3 will also be correct. So we have shown you how to use this your calculator to solve simultaneous equations that have 3 unknowns. We are going to see you on subsequent tutorials like this. Have a very good time. Bye.